Let's begin by getting you the latest updates on the investigation by the Narcotics Control Bureau into the Bollywood drug scandal. Last week, you saw the name of 22-year-old actor Ananya Pandey also coming into the fore over WhatsApp chats that she had with Aryan Khan. She's been questioned twice already, and today she's been summoned for a third time by the Narcotics Control Bureau. There's still no clarity on whether she's an accused, whether she's a witness, but essentially what the NCB has said is that she's being questioned over WhatsApp chats between 2018 and 2019 with Aryan Khan, where allegedly there was a discussion over drugs, and that's why she too is now facing the heat in this case. Sources claim that Aryan had allegedly asked Ananya to arrange ganja, to which she agreed in these chats. Ananya was summoned twice last week, on October 21st and 22nd, for questioning. She was grilled by officials for over 2 to 4 hours on both days. The NCB also questioned Ananya over drug consumption and the source of procuring those drugs. She was questioned about the kind of drugs that were consumed by Aryan as well. Ananya, on her part, denied consuming or procuring narcotic substances. Sources say that she's even said that she was joking in her WhatsApp messages over procurement of drugs. Last week, the drug agency had also conducted raids at Ananya's house. They'd seized her digital devices. They'd seized her phone as well as her laptop. So it remains to be seen what really emerges from round 3 of questioning of Ananya Pandey. Let's take this across now to Mustafa Sheikh. He's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates. Mustafa, good morning. The NCB has seen it fit to call Ananya for a third round of questioning. Just sum up for us last week what really emerged from her questioning previously.
Well, of course. See, first was the drugs chats between Ananya Pandey and Aryan Khan, and then Ananya first said that she was jokingly chatting about it, but then her house had helped procuring drugs for Aryan Khan is what came to light. Now, the NCB is trying to get a clear statement from Ananya Pandey about these chats, and if she confesses, then it will be a strong case against Aryan Khan. But at the same time, trouble mounts for Ananya Pandey because she has denied as of now of consuming any of the drugs or narcotic substances. But remember, the NCB sleuths have seized all her electronic devices, including her mobile phone, and also trying to get the dump data of her mobile chats. And like in Aryan Khan, they found these chats. They may also do it in Ananya Pandey's case. So till the time there are the hearing and the statements of Ananya Pandey over, and till the time she leaves NCB, no one can predict what really will be NCB's next move in the drug case. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa. For the moment, thank you for joining us. So let's recap for you exactly why Ananya Pandey is now in the scanner, why she's been questioned twice and for a third time perhaps today by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Sources in the NCB say that they're looking into WhatsApp chats between Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey. Now, reportedly in these chats, drugs were discussed, and it's 3 dates that the NCB zeroed in on with these WhatsApp chats in which there was a discussion on drugs. These chats were between the years of 2018 to 2019. And in these conversations, allegedly, Ananya arranged drugs twice for Aryan. That came up in the WhatsApp chats. Besides that, also in the WhatsApp chats, Aryan Khan had given a number of a peddler to Ananya. Now, another point that the NCB is looking into reportedly is the fact that in these WhatsApp chats, Aryan asked Ananya to arrange drugs for him. So it's all of this that Ananya is being questioned over.